Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a clean and decorate with me for Easter. My house is a disaster, so I have quite a bit of work to do. But Easter is actually my favorite holiday, so I'm very excited for today. And I do want to just quickly apologize for not uploading on Wednesday. I was just kind of doing an organization video of my pantry. Like, I didn't buy any organization containers, just used what I had and, you know, was getting rid of things that were expired. But I thought I had hit the record button and I did not. So I do apologize, but happy Sunday, and let's go ahead and get right into it.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside out.
I began cleaning by putting the clean dishes away, and then next I got rid of the old sponges, grabbed a new one, and just did up the few dishes in the sink. But I'm just going to show you clips of me cleaning the kitchen because it took me about 2 hours, and I was just like, that's way too much content. So I got done doing the dishes and I'm going to clean out the sink. When you clean your kitchen, what do you like to start with, and what are the things that you do every time you clean your kitchen? And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Here on my channel, we do all things mom life. I'm a stay-at-home mom of my 1-year-old daughter. We are a family that cooks a lot, and this stove is very difficult to keep clean. So I just did a quick wipe down with my e-cloth. And it's done, not perfect, but I try to do a deep clean every so often. And then I wiped down all of the counters, and I'm going to wipe down the table and my daughter's table as well. And I'm noticing right now that my table looks bent in the middle. I'm not quite sure why, because it doesn't feel that way, but anywho. Before I started the floors, I wiped down the front of my washer and dryer. And as you can see here, my floor is god-awful. There was just so much stuff on the floor. My daughter does baby lead weaning, and I could literally clean the floor 100 times a day. And I don't, and I really want to get better with this because it'll take me 5 minutes to just keep up with it. And then instead of the 3 hours that it took me today to clean my whole entire kitchen. So it's something that I really need to try better with. So I'm just going to quick show you everything. This clock, I'm very sad, just broke. I was putting a battery in it. I've had this clock for probably over 10 years. I love the thing. This moves. But anyways, I'm going to try to hopefully fix that. And then we have just this little pedestal thing. I got that at Home Goods, I believe, last year. And then we have our tablecloth, my curtain, salt and pepper shakers, butter. I don't use candles anymore. I got rid of all of my candles besides this one. I just think it's the cutest thing. I don't burn it anymore. I just keep it for decoration. And then the sign, window clings. I got a plate for Amelia, and then I'm going to swap out our small plates for the Easter plates. I got paper products for actual Easter, and then a cute little cookie jar. So let's go ahead and get into decorating. I was all over the place when it came to cleaning and decorating the kitchen. That's just how my brain works. But I did go ahead and change this picture by our table. And you'll see later on that I ended up changing it because I found another picture that I had intentionally purchased for this spot, I believe last year when we were on vacation. So I did change that out, and then I don't know, I love changing my kitchen curtain. I think it just brings me so much joy to have a different valance for every holiday. Do you guys go all in and like change shower curtains or your curtains for any of your holidays?
Everything we need right here. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
Every year I debate whether I want to use window clings. Sometimes I think it's tacky, and other times I just think it adds a little extra touch. But I'm so glad I decided to do this because my daughter was in love with them. Please comment below if you use vinyl cloth or no tablecloth. I go through spurts between vinyl and cloth, and for Easter I do have a cloth one. Sometimes I like to put plastic over top of it because it's easier to clean, but sometimes I also don't. So I guess it just depends on whatever mood I'm in for that season. Also, someday when we own our own home, I would definitely like to get a round table. Family dinners are very important to us. We definitely eat together a lot, and I feel like a round table would just bring us even closer together as a family. Do you have a rectangle table or a circle table in your home, and how often do you guys eat together as a family?
Wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder. Wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
So moving on, I'm not big into flowers, but I am trying to make my house a little bit more homier, and I felt like this might just add an extra little touch.
Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go.
I'm so happy I did get the flowers because they really did just make the table look a lot better. And next I got a little candy dish from the dollar store, and I haven't had Rolos in years, so that's why I got those. And to be honest with you, they lasted like 2 days between my family, and of course I had to steal one right away. And finally, I just wanted to rotate my butter from my normal butter dish into the Easter butter dish.
Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder. Wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder. Wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. We got everything, sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna
Having a
feel.
nice clean kitchen, all decorated for my favorite holiday, brings me so much joy. I'm so happy on how it turned out. And even though this video is only a little over 10 minutes, it actually took me probably about 3.5 hours to complete the whole kitchen. I feel like it takes me forever to do anything. I don't know if it's because of my ADHD, but I just don't know how people can keep their house clean and organized and clean up very quickly. I just feel like it takes me personally so long to do things. I know I overthink. That being said, I only had time to do the kitchen today, and I feel like I'm not even done. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel to see the upcoming Easter decoration videos. I still have to do my living room, my bathroom, and decorations outside as well. So I hope you liked today's video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!